Okay, so here we're going with 11 and 12. Now remember, 11 is an arithmetic sequence, so my first goal is to try and find a D. D is going to be what we're adding each time, right? So to find D, I'm going to subtract the two terms that I was given and divide that by their distance apart. If I'm going from term 5 to term 11, 11 minus 5. So since term 11 was 30, term 5 was 12. 30 minus 12 gives me 18. They are 6 apart, which means D must be 3. Now I could do a little bit of work, find A1, find A0, and write a formula for my sequence, but I don't have to do that. If I want to find A20, let's build on what we already know. A11, we were given. Now 11 and 20 are 9 terms apart. So I should be able to take term 11, add on 9 differences to get to the 20th term, right? Okay, so A11 is 30. I'm going to add on 9 differences, which we found was 3. That gives me 30 plus 27, and it looks like my 20th term is 57. Okay? Number 12, very, very similar, except we're looking at a geometric sequence. So instead of subtracting and dividing to find our R, we're going to do some division and then a root to undo what we've been given. Okay, so now R equals, it should be the quotient of our two terms, always taking the last term divided by the first. That tells me how many R's, or that tells me the difference in the R's. If I'm going from term 6 all the way up to term 10, that's not actually R. That's 4 R's worth. I've multiplied by R 4 times to get from 6 to 10. Okay, so let's pull up the calculator, do a little calculating. Okay, so 0.625 divided by 10 tells me that R to the 4th is 0.0625. So now a fourth root. I'm going to do that to the 1/4 power. Remember that indicates a fourth root. And my R is 1/2. Okay, so now to find the 15th term, I'm going to do it just like I did in number 11. I want to find the 15th term. I know the 10th. So I should be able to take the 10th term, multiply by R so many times to get to the 15th. Now how many times do I need R? 10 and 15 are 5 apart, so I should need 5 R's in there. Okay, so A10, which is 0.625, times R, which was 0.5, to the 5th power. Go to my handy dandy calculator. 0.625 times 0.5 to the 5th. And I get that pretty little fraction right there. Oops. Let's do this. So my answer is 0.019, let's go 53 for the 15th term.